All right, moving on. Tax season is right around the corner, folks, and every year as families grow, businesses grow, and hopefully bank accounts grow, the tax requirements and questions grow as well. Not to fear, you don't have to head into this season alone. We are talking with an expert this morning, Jared Matz, CPA and managing member of Matz & Company Accounting Professionals. Jared, thank you for joining us this morning. So this is a time of year everybody dreads, but everybody has to do it. So tell us a little bit about what Matz & Company does, the services you offer, because it's not just about tax season. You guys run the full gamut of services.
That's right. We mostly serve individuals and small and mid-sized businesses. Mm-hmm. We help with federal and state tax compliance issues, so we prepare tax returns, we do payroll reports, we do gross receipts reports. We also do general accounting and bookkeeping services, as well as business advisory and consulting.
That's great. So a slew of things that folks can come to you for. Now, you personally, you bring over 15 years experience as an accountant. You also teach at UNM. You're a very busy guy. So, I mean, that's value in and of itself. But what else does Matz & Company bring in terms of value to its clients?
Well, Matz & Company seeks to provide our clients with exceptional service by providing professional attention to their needs. One of the ways that we probably provide the most value to our clients is we seek to give our clients peace of mind. Mm-hmm. You know, dealing with financial and tax issues can be an overwhelming burden for a lot of people.
Yeah.
And so we seek to help lift that burden off of our clients' shoulders by providing them with help to better understand the benefits and consequences of their financial and tax decisions.
That's great.
And we look to help them be more proactive in dealing with these issues, because often if you're only reacting to the notices you're getting,
you're getting left behind
and it becomes a lot more costly.
And that's really good, you know, because a lot of times, I know me personally, fortunately my wife is very good with our money. She's, you know, she manages it, but a lot of this stuff can be very confusing to folks. So being able to turn to an expert that you can trust is very important. So, of course, tax deadline's coming up right around the corner. So what can you guys do to help folks maximize those returns?
Well, Matz & Company, you know, it's much more about minimizing tax exposure than maximizing returns.
Okay.
You know, if you've paid in too much money, then you're going to get a large return back. But we try to keep our clients only paying in what they need to pay in.
Gotcha.
And so, you know, we stay ahead of tax changes in tax law, which, you know, the past several years there's been a lot of changes in tax law, and we listen to our clients to help them better navigate and identify opportunities.
Okay, and so of course the deadlines, there's a different deadline for corporate and for individual.
Correct.
Is that right? What other differences are there for filing for corporate or individual if we're filing for a business?
Well, 2013 has brought a lot of changes in tax law. You know, corporations are due on March 15th with a 6-month extension, and then partnerships and individuals are April 15th with an extension time as well. Some of the changes in 2013 that we're looking at are, you know, they mostly relate to high-income individuals. Mm-hmm. So individuals who are in the $400,000 to $450,000 range for individuals or married couples are looking at paying in a higher tax bracket, 39.6%. Plus, they may be subject to an additional 5% on their capital gains tax at 20% rate. There's also a net investment income tax this year for individuals with $200,000 to $250,000 income. That's for $250,000 for couples. Mm-hmm. This is 3.8% tax on net investment, the lesser of net investment income, or the amount over that $200,000 or $250,000 range. Mm-hmm. There are an additional Medicare tax this year, 0.9% on income over $200,000. That's wages or self-employment income.
Okay.
This year we're dealing with, you know, the federal government is recognizing same-sex marriages. Mm-hmm. And in New Mexico, I know that's a big issue, because we do recognize same-sex marriage in the state. And it matters where you were married, whether or not the federal government is going to require you to file as a married couple.
Gotcha, okay.
And then in addition, we have a higher hurdle for medical expenses. In the past couple of years, it's been 7.5% of adjusted gross income. Well, anybody in the 15% bracket or higher is going to now be subject to a 10% limitation on medical expenses. So
there's a lot of stuff, lots of changes out there.
A lot of things.
And we want to, like you said, we want to be proactive about this. So very quickly, Jared, how can folks learn more?
Well, you can contact us at www.mattcpa.com, or you can call our office, 256-9871, and give us a call. We'd be happy. I give a free initial consultation to all new clients, and we're looking to just help people in any way that we can.
That's great. Jared, thank you so much for your
Thank you.
time this morning.
I
Folks,
appreciate
we
it.
will have links on our website as well, casa.com. Just click on to Casa Style. Well, we still